And huge crowds gather on the bank of Ganga River in Haridwar for the second royal bath of Mahakumbh this morning. The crowds have thrown social distancing for a huge toss, posing a concern for the authorities amidst the rising number of cases of COVID in the state of Uttarakhand. We just take a look at the visuals that are coming. This can be a super spreader in the country. Mahakumbh Mela organizers have made adequate arrangements to ensure devotees adhering to COVID protocols is what they say. The RT-PCR negative report has been made mandatory for devotees to register for Kumbh. For those turning up without the test reports, arrangements have been made for on-spot COVID testing where the stalls have been set up, and those testing positives are going to be sent to the isolation center. But just look at the crowds that are gathering. There is no social distancing right there, and this can potentially turn into a super spreader. This is a matter of big concern. Those who are testing positive, though, are going to be sent to the isolation center is what the authorities are saying. Haridwar has over 2,000 active COVID cases, and before you know it, this can spiral out of control.
Amid surge in the COVID cases all across the country, the biggest religious congregation, Mahakumbh 2021, is taking place here in the state of Uttarakhand, here at Har Ki Pauri in Haridwar. There have been gathering in a huge number, and that's clearly why the social distancing has been a biggest challenge at Har Ki Pauri. However, on this auspicious day of Somvati Amavasya, when the Shahi Snan will take place, all the saints and sheikhs from renowned saints and sheikhs, perhaps from all the akhadas, will take holy dip, and exactly this entire area is being evacuated. And the number, though it has significantly reduced from last night, still can be, can imagine what will be the gravity of crowd here at this particular place. And to deal with the particularly COVID, because that is now the biggest threat this year, some certain arrangements have been made and placed at Har Ki Pauri and all across the Haridwar area by the government and the administration. And the first where these COVID rapid testing desks have been set up. In fact, yesterday from morning to evening, 9 people were diagnosed positive in the rapid testing at this particular desk. Subsequently, these sanitizer dispensers have been placed all across the Har Ki Pauri area. Ensure the people get their hands sanitized, and the volunteers that you see right behind me are ensuring that people, those who are walking in or leaving out, get their hands sanitized, and also sanitize the touch points all across the Har Ki Pauri area. Though there is RT-PCR negative test certificate is mandatory for all the devotees entering in the state of Uttarakhand, those who are not following it have to go. This mandatory testing at the random COVID center have been set up by the state government all across the border areas and also around the Har Ki Pauri areas in Haridwar. At Har Ki Pauri, Haridwar with Ritesh, this is Ashutosh Mishra reporting for India Today.
जो पूरे देश में अचानक जो संक्रमण का दर बढ़ा है और जो कोविड महामारी का जिस तरह का एकदम सर्ज आया है, उसको देखते हुए कई राज्यों में एकदम एसओपी जारी हुई। इवन उत्तराखंड राज्य में भी जो विशेषकर जो 12 राज्यों से आने वालों के लिए कोरोना RT-PCR नेगेटिव टेस्ट रिपोर्ट रखी हुई है। नंबर 2, आपको किसी तरह की अपनी जो आईडी है, पहचान पत्र है, और नंबर 3 आपका मेडिकल टेस्ट रिपोर्ट। मेडिकल टेस्ट रिपोर्ट इसलिए कि आप में कोई कोमॉर्बिडिटी तो नहीं है या आप में कोई इम्यूनिटी तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं है, उसके लिहाज से इम्पोर्टेंट है।
अधिकतर यात्री हमारे दिल्ली, हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश, उड़ीसा, कर्नाटक, आंध्र प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र से ही आते हैं। तो मेरा सबसे निवेदन यही रहेगा इस चीज़ में, देखिए हम सबको मिलकर के इस बीमारी से जूझना है। हम लोग कहीं इसका स्प्रेड ना कर सकें, जैसे आप सुपर स्प्रेडर की बात कर रहे हैं। सुपर स्प्रेडर का मतलब ये कोई ऐसा हब, एक झुंड ना बन जाए जहाँ से बीमारी फैल रही हो। तो मेरा सबसे अनुरोध है कि इसको बचाने के लिए हम सबको जागरूक करने की जरूरत है, और जो भारत सरकार और उत्तराखंड सरकार की SOP है उसका पालन करें।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.